Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today we are going to explore Cebu Badian Canyoneering Adventure, or you can say Kawasan Falls Canyoneering Adventure. Right now we are from 4 kilometers away from the Kawasan Falls. We are getting into the river right now. It was a beautiful experience if you love water sport. Along the way you can see fantastic natural landscape and natural beauty. The river itself have a aqua blue water and have a lot of stones and lagoons in between. Along this 4 kilometer distance, the river have a 4 meter, 6 meter, 8 meter, 12 meter and 40 meter cliff jumps. So you have a lot of cliff jump in between. At the same time you have so many lagoons and crystal clear water. Along the way you have a lot of obstacles, so it feels like you are doing some adventure in your holiday. If you follow the instruction of the guides, you will be alright. That is a 2-meter backtrap. It was fantastic. The water was very cold and very refreshing. The river runs between the canyon, so naturally it looks beautiful down there when you look up.
Let them go. One more time. Okay. One step down. 1, 2, 3.
That is a 4-meter 1-step jump.
Yes! Go ahead! Woo!
Every time I jump into the water, I get recharged. At the same time, gives me chills. Along the way, you can float on the crystal clear water. At the same time, you can enjoy the beautiful stone formation on the side. Some places little bit risky to walk in. They have a very narrow path. This is all part of the adventure. Sometimes you have to walk through like a cave in some situation. In our group, we all boys, so we did the 4-kilometer canyoneering adventure in 2.5 hours. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome.
Ready? Ready?
One more thing guys, if you know swimming, you can enjoy the canyoneering adventure very nicely. Without swimming, still you can use the life jacket, but the experience will be totally different. So my recommendation, you should know the swimming to enjoy the full experience in this adventure. Since we keep on walking, the landscape is changing every second. You can explore the beauty of the canyon every minute along the way. One thing I can definitely tell you guys, it is a pretty good workout for the day. This is the 5-meter backslide.
No, Messi, push me. Just push me.
Yeah.
Okay, no, you won't play.
I cannot explain my experience in words. You should go try yourself. I highly recommend it. Along the way, the next event is 8-meter jump. Not everyone jump in this jump. One of my Korean member don't want to jump, so everybody got disappointed and make fun of him. The best thing is, if you don't want to jump, you don't have to. You can skip the jump anytime. But I came here for the jump. I totally enjoyed it. If you guys have a fear of height, this is the place. Overcome your fear. There's a lot of opportunity. You can practice that. If you love the nature, this landscape gives you different perspective. At the same time, the beauty of the place, the experience you get from this canyoneering adventure is unmatched. I can guarantee you that you cannot get this experience from anywhere. This is a unique location, comes with a unique experience. You have to enjoy every little things along the way it intend. Just follow the guide what they're saying. Then you're able to enjoy the full experience of this place.
Lie down, lie down.
Like I said before, you need to follow the instruction from the guide every time. Then you will be alright.
1, 2, 3.
In this point, I'm a 44 years old, but I've become a kid again.
Okay.
In the halfway mark, you have a street food, includes barbecue and grilling. You have a sausage, you have pork belly, you have a satay, at the same time fruits and cup noodles and the beverage like a soft drinks, water. If you're hungry, you can purchase from here and eat with the nature. Even they have a table behind the shops. The live grilling was very looks good. The foods are very look good. They're grilling on the spot, so you can get the hot food. Beside the street food, you have a 10-meter jump. This jumping place looks very narrow, so you have to jump straight like a needle.
I will take a video, right? No problem. I take it from here. Yeah. I take it from here. Yourself? Fantastic. Wow. What a jump.
I enjoy the 10-meter jump. Then we crawl through some kind of passage over here right now. The experience I got from here is totally different every time. It gives me chill. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. This is the 5-meter narrow dive. I nailed it.
Fantastic.
This is the group activity. You have to enjoy with the group at the situation. We had a very good time as a team. I was really happy. I had a great time. The next event is 12-meter jump. That was a perfect jump because I dropped straight like a needle. The guy threw my GoPro from the top. I catch it.
Fantastic. See the jumper there, here.
That is the place I jumped from.
The jump place. Huge.
Here you have a natural water slide, which I love to slide on it. The upside down sliding experience was very good. I want to do it again. this time in the front. When you go adventure like this, you have to be little bit sportive. Then only you can squeeze all the happiness from this place and this activity, because you paid for it. There is no reason to be shy and keep quiet and don't do nothing. Here we come to the last event, 14-meter waterfall jump. Getting there to the jumping place itself very scary and very risky, because this place is located in slippery slope area and you have to be very careful. From here it looks very high and too scary. I was thinking 2 days ago I did a 15-meter jump at the Slam Dunk beach in Cebu Island. That jump bigger than this. I scared about this landscape because it is a waterfalls, not in the beach or ocean. Either way, I came this far. For a 10 second, I getting myself together, then I proceed. It is really very hard holding a GoPro in one hand and videoing yourself and walking through the slippery slope area. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I have to tell you guys, it is really slippery slope. I have to be very careful that every step I take, otherwise it will be a very big tragic and damage. Somehow I made it. Look at the location. It is really scary. I have to keep it together.
Okay.
This is the one angle from my GoPro. I'm getting ready to jump. Look at the situation. It is a unique location. It was scary, but I have to be man up.
2, 3, go!
This is another angle from the team. That was a perfect jump and new record. Either way, the experience was very good. I really overcome a fear and I enjoyed. Since I know swimming, it gave me an advantage. So the experience I get from the canyoneering adventure, you cannot put a price on that.
Fantastic, Maria. That's awesome. Thank you.
The whole experience make you a man. At the same time, you come to the different level in your life. Along the way back to your accommodation, you will see plenty of natural sceneries along the way, because from here you have to walk at least 30 minutes to your accommodation. Because of the wonderful beauty of the nature, the 30 minutes went very quickly. In between you have a very big old bridge. One thing you keep in mind, guys, this canyoneering adventure, you need some sportive mentality. At the same time, if you know swimming, you can enjoy more. After that, I was a little bit hungry. I enjoyed my Kit Kat. If you are afraid of heights, this is the best place to overcome your fear. You can take advantage of it. After that, we had a very big lunch. It was free, part of the canyoneering. They gave me some Korean alcohol. I am not a very big drinker, but for the table manners, I took it. It was great, no doubt about it. We had a lumpia spring roll, fried chicken and pork belly, rice and ramyun noodle with the Pepsi. The ramyun noodle was very spicy, but I can handle it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below and subscribe to the channel would be awesome.
Very spicy. Can handle it, but very spicy.